If you want to remove a payment method from your Wise account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or settings gear. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. Click on it to open the details, where you should find an option to delete or remove the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the option to remove, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal of the payment method. After completing these steps, the payment method should be successfully removed from your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.